My dad sponsored a chef from China who came over to work in one of the very first restaurants on Richmond Street. And I came from a British background, so food in our home was pretty basic. This really opened my eyes and certainly my taste buds to just how fantastic food can be. At a very young age, I started to travel. When I got over to Italy and to Spain and France for the first time, and again, just a revelation about how food could be so wonderful. It started 21 years ago with a friend saying you should consider opening a store that has all the hard-to-find ingredients and make it available in one spot. At that point, I'd also been a freelance food writer for the Free Press for 20 years, so food was my passion. When I decided to open up at Covent Garden Market, I wanted to do just that, heavily curated, hard-to-find ingredients, but also a real local angle. When the opportunity came to come across the street to our current location, it was just a great opportunity to put everything under one roof. The kitchenwares, specialty food, the cooking classes, a gift basket business. That was the best thing I ever did because it gave me an opportunity to build a kitchen. We have a young dad who's bringing his 2.5-year-old daughter in. Every Saturday she has her own market basket. And I love that because I remember my grandma taking me to the market when I was young. And that develops a lifelong habit of understanding your food supply and the people behind it. That's one of the things I've learned over the years is the kitchen. We always say it's the heart of the home, but the kitchen brings people together, food brings people together. Sitting around the table is one of the best things you can do with your friends and your family. It is about community, for sure. To be able to celebrate that every day is truly a joy.